I'm Grace, and this is Misery Business by Paramore. 1, 2, 3, 4. I'm in the business of misery. Let's take it from the top. She's got a body like an hourglass that's ticking like a clock. It's a matter of time before we all run out. When I thought he was mine, she caught him by the mouth. I waited 8 long months, she finally set him free. I told him I can't lie, he was the only one for me. 2 weeks and we had caught on fire. She's got it out for me, but I wear the biggest smile. Whoa, I never meant to brag, but I've got him where I want him now. Whoa, it was never my intention to brag, to steal him all away from you now. But gosh, it feels so good, 'cause I got him where I want him now. And if you could, then you know you would, 'cause God, it just feels so. Second chances, they don't ever matter. People never change. I'm just a warrior, nothing more. I'm sorry, that will never change. And about forgiveness, we're both supposed to have exchange. I'm sorry, honey, but I passed it up. Now look this way. There's a million other girls who do it just like you, looking as innocent as possible to get to who they want and what they like. It's easy if you do it right. Well, I refuse, I refuse, I refuse. Whoa, I never meant to brag, but I've got him where I want him now. Whoa, it was never my intention to brag, to steal him all away from you now. But God, it feels so good, 'cause I got him where I want him right now. And if you could, then you know you would, 'cause God, it just feels so. It just feels so good. I've watched his 100 dreams come true, not one of them involving you. Just watch my wildest